Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Motorists will get an ease at the pump tomorrow as gas prices fall after reaching record highs last week. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will go for 67 cents less. Automotive diesel is down $1.15 and ultra-low sulfur diesel is down by $1.07. Kerosene will sell for 59 cents less. Propane is shaving 71 cents while butane will go down by 27 cents. Municipal corporations are demanding that central government give them more power to penalize agencies which are in breach of protocols. Montego Bay's Mayor Homer Davis says he's aware of entities or agencies which aren't operating properly, but he notes that he doesn't have the power to impose disciplinary actions against them. He says this affects the economic development of parishes across the island.
We are not permitted to take the corrective disciplinary action against agencies. And I could name them, but they know who they are. The development of our parishes and our municipality can be negatively impacted by the inaction of these agencies. I therefore call on us as mayors to demand that we be given more teeth to manage the affairs of our parish and municipalities.
Crude prices settled higher today. Oil for delivery in August gained 75 cents to settle at $67.91 a barrel. And in currency trading, the US dollar has again broken the $132 mark, the second time within the span of a month. The American currency is now selling for $132.07. The Canadian dollar also closed higher at $101.48. The pound is going for $170.67, while the euro is being sold for $153.06 on average. The JSE index lost 660 points, while the junior market index lost 8 points. Stocks posting gains today include Berita Investments, Caribbean Producers, Epley, Grace Kennedy, Honeybun, Jamaica Broilers, Knutsford Express Services, Lasco Manufacturing, and Medical Disposable and Supplies. On the losing side were Berger Paints, Caribbean Cement Company, Derrimont Trading, Everything Fresh, Fosrich, Jetcon Corporation, JMMB Group, Lasco Distributors, and Mayberry Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.